So today, Jenny is going to redo the Jackson's Chameleon cage. First, got undo everything. Danielle is going to assist.
I'm assisting and also doing the veil.
Ah! Oh, we're doing the veil too, so we're doing 2 today. Just gonna learn the fine art of how to put the branches in after you're done tearing them apart to make them look pretty darn cool. Yeah, it's definitely time for a change. Let's make it a race. No, I'm kidding.
Oh gosh, yeah. That's how you get hurt.
Yeah, Jenny knows all about that.
That's what I'm good at.
I am tying like all these pieces from each other.
Yes.
Cool.
You need a kniffy?
No.
A kniffy?
Kniffy.
A
I don't
knife?
trust myself with a knife.
Jenny! It's not
No,
remotely
okay.
funny.
Okay.
I don't trust myself with a knife.
I trust myself with a knife.
And you.
A knife, but not a razor.
There
This
you
is.
go.
I'm gonna cut my hand open accidentally.
It was an EX.
Do you want to show off your stitches?
Yeah, I just put this band-aid on. But yeah, I can do
Oh,
that. Good.
How about at the
no,
end?
you don't have
At the
to.
end.
At the end.
At the end.
At the
after-
end.
after I figured
There we
all this
go.
stuff.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at all that rootage. Oh my god. He thinks the roots will have to be trimmed.
Oh no.
The leopard gecko's like, what the heck are you doing? She just emptied the tray. That's what was cool about that thing, is that the tray comes
All
out.
of our chameleon tanks.
Yeah, all the chameleon tanks, if you, they open at the bottom by these latches, and you just open it, and you take the tray out and dump it. It's so easy. And then all you gotta do is sweep out the bottom for any stuff that got out. See? There she goes. Here, I'll hold it for you.
Thank you.
There you go. Easy peasy. Oh no! Oh, dusty, huh?
Yeah.
You okay, Danielle? Oh no, a dirt pile. I was like, what's wrong?
I was just staring at
And
my
you were
mess, like,
staring at the mess down here. Oh! I didn't know the bottom flopped out like that. I was like, what? Ooh, that stuff smells
I like
good.
this stuff. I actually highly recommend it. It's that Wipeout.
Oh, Wipeout, yeah. Smells nice.
And it actually works. It really does.
Yeah.
Let it sit for a few minutes.
It'll just disinfect and clean it. Alright, Jenny's done with hers. She's gonna throw it up there. I hear a honking tortoise. You're being very loud, Bill. What bedding are you using?
It's just some Eco Earth, and then I'll be using Jungle Mix and Reptibark. Honestly, you could probably just get away with Reptibark, but we like to grow plants. So it helps to have a little bit of a mixture.
Uh-oh. It's stuck.
Well, no, I know. I wasn't. I still have to put the thing down.
Oh, okay.
Let her do her thing, Heather.
Hey, you did it too. Hey,
I did what?
you pushed it back too.
I didn't know what she was doing.
So I didn't either. There's that Jungle Mix. Shameless product plug number 2. No, I'm kidding.
Not shameless. Fire Jungle Mix.
It's shameless. That means we have no shame advertising it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I didn't really think that one through.
We also sell the Reptibark. And the Eco Earth.
Plug 3.
And the Eco Earth, which is product plug number 4. We sell it in like little bricks or whatever. And,
We also
I
sell
think
the
bags.
loops, yeah.
Yeah, and bags. Bags and bricks. There is no better smell in the world than fresh tropical bedding. It smells, it's serotonin inducing. She's got the brunches. Now the fine art of putting them back in.
The part that I am not great at.
Basically, you just want a nice taller piece in the corner by your light. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that little eyeball she's made in there. That's cool.
Perfect for us.
You know Jenny's gonna be like probably redoing it no matter what.
We're not really pushing on the edge, just a little bit.
Now here's Jenny with hers.
Beautiful! No, that's actually quite trash. I'm just gonna make it nice and simplistic.
You turn it upside down.
Yeah. Why not? Making fun of my design?
No, I just didn't. I thought it would be more stable, right side up. I didn't know.
It's stable the way it is. It's up against the plastic pieces.
Oh, I see. They're gonna make their little home inside the little spot where it gathers up there.
Think.
It's leaning up. No.
I'm not finished yet. Leave me alone.
No.
She says no. God, shut up, Mom. No face.
You know my life.
You don't know me.
Oh, now she's putting the dripper in.
Oh, yeah.
Now she's got the dripper in and all the other stuff. Now we get to put the live plants in.
Where I want to put them. This one right here. Try and get another train going.
Choo choo. She said she wanted to get another train going.
To be fair, those ones were not good at
I was
all.
gonna say there was
At all.
I don't even think they did.
To be fair,
What?
I'm not gonna be mad
Held
about
it in
those.
place.
So actually, I'm going to recommend. Yeah,
Let's just undo them all, start fresh.
Today is brought to you by the letter N.
I was thinking more of like an A.
Well, from this angle,
Yeah,
today is brought to you by the letter A, and then from this angle, it's brought to you by the letter N. It's an optical illusion.
No more eyeball though.
Yeah, that eyeball was pretty cool. That little space in the middle.
Perfect search.
I'm sorry.
Ruined everything. All the hopes and dreams.
I apologize for nothing. Sturdy. It's still loose. So
Yeah,
it's a lot more stable.
now it's sturdy. Not even the strongest chameleon will be able to budge it.
Yeah. You show me no, they can untie a knot and I'll give it a gold.
No, I
medal.
mean like make the branches wiggle. Here's the vine, and there's the other vine with the green stitch on it, because veiled chameleons like to eat greens. If you put them in a tank with fake greens, they will try to eat the fake greens, so don't put them with fake greens. They will try to munch. Last but not least, they add the lighting.
Alright.
Okay, here's Jenny's stitches.
A really cool part.
What?
Look,
What?
I can move it.
Ah, no!